I already ripped these 2x4x8s down to 6 feet, and you'll see at the ends here they're at an angle. I cut them to 15 degrees, so overall they'll lean against the wall. And then that left me these pieces here that are at their longest they're 2 feet, and at their shortest they're slightly shorter. You know, they're at a 15 degree as well. So this scrap here is going to be cut down again. They'll probably be cut to just shy of 16 inches. They're going to be our shelf at the top. Okay. So what I just did there was cut all the dowels to the same size. So dowels, obviously, they're supposed to all be the same length, but they vary by 1/16 of an inch or so. So instead of trying to cut them all to 16 inches wide, I cut them to about 16, but what I did was basically cut them to 16, and then the one that was slightly shorter, cut all the others in that group to that same length. So if they were 15 and 15/16, then they're all going to be that. So the ladder, that particular ladder, might be slightly skinnier, but it won't really be that noticeable if that's the case. It's not going to be that noticeable, really, unless you get a tape measure out or whatever. And I'm not selling these. These are going to be gifts for people. So, yeah. Four of them completed. Little shelf up top. and then 5 rungs total.